In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage resources in Asana with AI. By the end, you'll know how to open your project, activate Asana's AI assistant, and prompt it to surface workload insights, spot risks, and suggest ways to balance your team's tasks quickly and confidently. Start by heading to Asana in your browser or desktop app and signing into the correct workspace. If you manage multiple teams or clients, double check you're in the right organization so the AI looks at the project you expect. Open the project where your team's work lives. Any standard view works. The AI analyzes what it can see in that project: task names, assignees, due dates, statuses, and custom fields like effort, priority, or team. The more consistently those fields are filled out, the stronger and more precise the recommendations will be. If some details are missing, you can still proceed. Just be a bit more explicit in your prompts. Look to the top right of the screen and click the Asana AI icon to open the assistant panel. This panel is context aware, so it understands the project you're viewing. That means you can reference this project, this week, or our design tasks, and it will focus its analysis there. In the prompt bar, describe exactly what you need in plain language. For example, ask it to analyze the current workload and identify who appears over capacity based on upcoming due dates. You can request suggestions to rebalance tasks without moving critical deadlines, or ask for a concise summary of risks and blocked items for your next stand-up. If you track estimates, mention your fields by name, like use the effort field as a proxy for hours, so the AI grounds its recommendations in your data. You can also have it group tasks by assignee and priority, surface anything due in the next 5 business days that lacks an owner, or draft a short stakeholder update explaining the resource plan. When the response appears, scan it and refine as needed. Follow up with clarifications such as focus only on the design section, exclude completed items, or limit suggestions to next week. You can ask it to simplify long lists into a few action-oriented bullets or expand a brief summary into a more detailed plan you can reference in your meetings. Remember that AI offers guidance, not final decisions. Use its insights to inform how you'll balance work and communicate changes with your team, keeping context, dependencies, and priorities in mind. And that's it. Go to Asana, open your project, click Asana AI, and guide it with clear prompts. With a few well-phrased requests, you'll quickly spot overload, redistribute work thoughtfully, and keep your team moving in sync.